Hi everybody, this is Jacob from Children's Museum Houston. I'm right outside the Chevron Maker Annex where I'm about to take you in for another educator moment sponsored by Chevron. Hi everyone, I'm Jacob from Children's Museum Houston, and today we're going to do a making music activity. We're going to actually make an instrument, so we're literally making music today. And so the instrument we're going to make is called a sound sandwich, and what you're going to need is 2 popsicle sticks, 2 rubber bands, 1 more rubber band, but this one you need to make sure that it is flat. So you don't want one that is too thin like these. These are a little bit too thin. You want one that's a little flatter and a little wider. So that's a total of 3 rubber bands, a straw, and some scissors. All right, so let's make our sound sandwich. If you need a second to go gather the materials, then pause this video and go gather them. And then come back and press play now. All right, so to start, we're going to take our straw and we're gonna cut about 1 inch to 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch off of the end. About like that, so about this much is good. And then we're going to take one of our popsicle sticks and we're gonna put one of those straw pieces on the end of our popsicle stick, like this. And we're gonna keep it there with the thicker rubber band. So the one that we got that was nice and wide and flat. And so we'll just put that around. You wanna put it around lengthwise across the popsicle stick here. So just wrap it around, stretch it over the straw, make sure it's nice and straight. Mine has a little bend in it, so I need to make sure it's straight. There we go. And now the straw is at one end with the rubber band going all the way across the popsicle stick. So now what we're going to do is we're gonna put the other straw down on top of that rubber band and we're gonna sandwich it underneath the other popsicle stick. So this one, the first straw was underneath the rubber band and the second straw is on top of the rubber band. And to keep everything in place, we're gonna take the other 2 rubber bands, the ones that can be a little skinnier, and we're just gonna wrap them around on the outside of those popsicle sticks to keep the whole thing sandwiched in place, just like this. You can just wrap and then twist and wrap and twist until it's nice and tight on the outside of the popsicle stick. I started with the one that was on top of the rubber band because that one wasn't really being kept in place by anything. So the other one is being kept in place by that rubber band. So it's a little easier now to wrap the other side. So I can just do it like this. Wrap and twist, wrap and twist, wrap and twist. And there we go. That's our sound sandwich. That's all there is to it. And what you do is, all right, everybody, now that you've built your sound sandwich instrument, it's time to play it. So when you're playing this instrument, it kind of works like a harmonica. So you can blow into it, or you can even breathe in. So either way works, and the rubber band just vibrates on the inside. So the faster you blow, the higher up the sound goes. So you can also move this straw up and down the craft stick to make the sound go higher like this. So there's a couple ways you can play this instrument, and we're gonna go ahead and play it along with a Children's Museum Houston original instrumental song. So you guys ready to play along with me? Let's do it. was fun and a little bit weird. Thanks for making and playing with me. We will see you guys next time. Goodbye.